All religions have suppressed the senses, right? Face the facts out. Control your senses. Don't yield. The speaker was walking behind a group of sannyasis in Kashmir one time. There was marvelous blue sky, clean air, lots of wildflowers. Air was scented with them. The smell of the hills and the groves and the valleys. The smell of the earth, the dew upon the earth. And these sannyasis in front, about a dozen of them, never looked at the trees. They had their head bent, chanting something or other, muttering, and never took notice of the beauty of the earth. Well, you've seen them, haven't you? But you are doing too. It's not reserved to the sannyasis. It's not their special privilege. And then never, for mile upon mile, never looked at the trees. You understand, there was a stream flowing by. That stream was chattering, making music. The flow of that stream was clear, unpolluted water. And the sannyasis never looked at that water, nor the trees, nor the blue sky, nor the mountains covered with snow. Because sensory responses might lead to sex, might lead to all kinds of desires. Right? Therefore, don't look. This happens also, sir, in the West, the monks. Right? You are following this? Right, sirs? Am I telling a strange story? So, the religions throughout the world have said, if you want to serve God, you must suppress your senses. You must control them. Shape them according to a precept or to a pattern laid down by the abbots and the priests and the sannyasis and the books, so that your senses are completely numb, completely destroyed, right? Look what's happened to you, sirs. You never look at the skies, do you? The beauty of a tree, the light on a cloud, the new moon, just a slip of light. Never look at all that, do you?